So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Craft Galaxy. So today I'm going to make our DIY decorations ideas for Christmas Day. So I hope you enjoy my today's video and this is going to be much fun. So in this video I have made two DIYs, so let's get started. So here my first DIY is that here I'm going to write Merry Christmas on the paper, and this is like our decor idea. So here first I'm taking a red color sheet of triangle shape. You can take any shape of the paper. So here I've taken a triangle shape red color paper. Then then here I paste a white color strip and then pasted with the white glue, and then here I cut a small piece of circle and then I also paste it, and then on the last here I write the letter R, and I have also pasted with white glue, and here I have used white color paper. So now here I have taken a red color thread and I'm going to paste this triangle on this thread with the help of white glue, and like this is ready. And here I have also write same like Christmas, Merry Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. So now let's begin our second DIY. So this is very much like a painting. So in this DIY we are going to do a paintings few. So first I'm taking a white and dark blue color, and here I'm using acrylic color to color this, and now like this I'm going to paint all my three paintings with the help of acrylic color. So now guys, this is my last painting with the acrylic colors, and I hope you also like my the two drawings or that I have made. And guys, if you do not have acrylic colors, so you can use any type of color like watercolors and any type of color. And guys, if you like my today's video, so then subscribe my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel, so that you will get my all videos notifications. So you can draw any type of drawing you want for the Christmas. So here I have drawn only the paintings that are related to Christmas. And I am going to upload more videos on the Christmas DIYs. So I hope you also enjoy those videos that I am going to be uploaded. So guys, do you like this decoration idea? So then comment me on this video. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video a lot. Now bye bye.